Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss how to calculate the trigonometric ratios at specific angles. In this video, we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios at 30 degree and 60 degree. We have already discussed how to calculate the trigonometric ratios at 0 degree and 90 degree. If you have not gone through that video, please go through that video on our channel. So let's start the video. For calculating the trigonometric ratios at 30 degree and 60 degree, we follow a specific algorithm. In this algorithm, what we are doing, we consider something, that is, we consider an equilateral triangle ABC. So this is an equilateral triangle ABC with each side of a triangle be 2A. So each side be 2A. So AB is equals to BC is equals to AC and it is equals to 2A. Now, since it is an equilateral triangle, so each angle of this triangle be 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. This is what we have considered in this video. Now we are going to do a construction in it. And the construction part is that we are going to draw a perpendicular AD from AC to A to the side BC. So from A, we are drawing a perpendicular on side BC. So D is the perpendicular. Since D is the perpendicular, AD is the perpendicular, so by the property of an equilateral triangle, AD is the angle bisector. So it divides the angle A in two equal parts. And D is also the midpoint of BC. So D divides BC in two equal parts. Now we are having BD is equals to half of BC, which is equals to A. Now we are having BD is equals to A and DC is equals to A. AD we have to calculate because we do not know the length of AD. But we know the length of AB. AC is also 2A. Angle A is now bisected in two equal parts. So angle BAD, it is equals to angle CAD, which is equals to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. This all construction and this assumption we have done so that we can get the sides of the triangle, because we know that for calculating the trigonometric ratios, the side measurement is necessary. So now in triangle, what we are having, A, B, C, D, this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this is 30 degree and 30 degree. Okay, this side is A, this is 2A and this is also 2A. Now triangle ABD and triangle ACD, both the triangles are concurrent to each other. So each part of the triangle is concurrent to the second part, because this angle B is equals to angle C, BD is equals to DC and angle D is common in both, which is equals to 90 degree. So by ASA property, we are having all the sides of this triangle are also concurrent. So you can take any of the triangle to calculate the trigonometric ratio. We have to calculate AD. How can we calculate AD? By using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle, let we take the triangle ADB. This is what? 60 degree. This is 30 degree. This is A. This is 2A. So AD is calculated with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So your AB is whole square, it is equals to AD square plus BD square. What is your AB? 2a whole square, it is equals to AD square plus A square. So it is 4a square minus a square, it is equals to AD whole square, which is equals to 3a square. By taking the square root, you will get AD is equals to under root 3a. Now we are also having the value of AD. We have all the three sides of a triangle and measurement of the angles. Now we can easily calculate the trigonometric ratios. So first we will calculate the trigonometric ratios at 30 degree. So we are calculating the trigonometric ratios at angle 30 degree. This is your A, D, B. This is your 60 degree. This is your 30 degree. This is root 3a. This is 2a and this is a. What is your sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. With respect to angle A, we are calculating because this is 30 degree. So with respect to angle A, BD is your perpendicular. So it is BD divided by AB. So it is A divided by 2A. So it is going to be 1 by 2. What is your cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree, it is equals to AD divided by AB, which is equals to root 3A divided by 2A. So you will get root 3 by 2. Similarly, we will get tan 30 degree, it is equals to perpendicular divided by base. So you are having BD divided by AD. It is equals to A divided by root 3A. So you will get the value 1 by root 3. Cosec 30 degree, it is just the reciprocal of sine 30 degree. So you will get the value 2. What is your sec 30 degree? It is the reciprocal of the cos 30 degree. So you will get again 2 by root 3. And cot 30 degree you will easily get, which is 1 by tan 30 degree, which is equals to root 3. So in this way we can calculate the values of trigonometric ratios at 30 degree. Similarly, we will get the trigonometric ratios at 60 degree. So at 60 degree. Till now, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification as soon as the video is uploaded. And if you are having any doubt, any query, please write on the comment box. So what is sine 60 degree? It is AD divided by AB. So you will get root 3A divided by 2A. So it is equals to root 3 by 2. What is cos 60 degree? It is BD divided by AB. It is equals to A divided by 2A. You will get the value 1 by 2. What is your tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is AD divided by BD. So you get root 3A divided by A. So you get the value root 3. Similarly, cosec 60 degree you can easily calculate. So it is 1 by sine 60 degree, which is equals to 2 by root 3. What is your sec 60 degree? You can get it by 1 by cos 60 degree, or you can get it is equals to AB divided by BD. So it is equals to 2A divided by A, so you will get 2. What is the cot 60 degree? It is BD divided by AD. So you will get A divided by root 3A, so you will get 1 by root 3. Now you are having the values at 30 degree and 60 degree. You can write the values in the tabular form so that it is easy for you to analyze the values and to remember. So what is the sine 30 degree? It is 1 by 2. What is cos 30 degree? It is root 3 by 2. What is tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3. Values of these are reciprocal of them. So these are 2, 2 by root 3 and root 3. Similarly, sine 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. What is cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2. What is cosec 60 degree? 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree it is 2 and cot 60 degree it is 1 by root 3. If you are having any doubt, any query, please write in the comment box. We have using this algorithm because if we directly take the triangle ABC right at angle at 3 degree and we take this as 60 degree or 30 degree whatever we can take, but we do not have the measurement at the sides of the triangle. At least two sides we should know, so that third can be calculated with the help of Pythagoras theorem. If we do not have the measurement, so we cannot find the ratio. If you like the video useful, please like and share the video. Thank you so much.